Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can farm the Sender wallet airdrop by Sender Labs. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And please note that none of this is a financial advice. Now before we move on to Sender Labs airdrop farming, uh, you can follow my Twitter page for the latest airdrop and alpha feed and also participate in the giveaways. Now let's move straight into the airdrop farming. So the first thing is basically this is their website over here, which is Sender Labs website, and currently they have something called a senderdao. Now I will leave all the sign up referral links in the description where it will give you some additional boost and it will help you secure more points in order to farm this airdrop. Now the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to download their wallet. So you can download this on your mobile phone and as well as on your Chrome browser. So I've already added Sender wallet to my Chrome browser and I've also downloaded the same on my mobile phone. Now once you have the Sender wallet set up, the first step that you will need to do is you will need to send a minimum of 0.1 near protocol token to your Sender wallet. So if I go ahead and show you, as you can see, I have sent like around 1.9 around 2 near protocol tokens to my Sender wallet, because this zero point 0.1 near protocol token will help you get the access for the DAO points over here and you can start farming the DAO points. Now as you can see, I have farmed a few DAO points over here, and in order to farm more DAO points, basically you can go ahead and do some Twitter engagement over here. So basically you can go ahead and post on your Twitter. So each views, likes, replies, quote tweets and repost will give you some points over here. So you can go ahead and do some Twitter engagement boost, and also you can sign up daily in order to earn 50 points over here, and this is invite friends. So as you can see, if you use my referral code, you will be getting like 5% additional points for rest of the airdrop campaign. Now this airdrop campaign will run till 3rd of May 2024. So you still have got time in order to go ahead and farm this airdrop. And if you want to read the full article, you can go ahead and read it on the Medium. I will leave all these links in the description once again. Now they also have something called as the sender swap over here. So basically you can swap from near protocol to different coins and tokens over here. So I will select few coins and tokens in order to swap on sender swap, and most probably I will be adding them to the liquidity pool, because you may never know, this might help you get some additional points for farming this airdrop. Now they also have a sender bot over here. So you can actually go ahead and add this to your Telegram. So basically first thing that you will need to do is you will need to join the Sender Labs Telegram group, and then if you want to use their Telegram bot, you can go ahead and use it over here. Now I will be very honest with you, account abstraction is a very big thing for this bull run, and we can see all the wallet tokens, especially like for example sender swap is there, then there is hold wallet, then there is clave, then there is safe wallet. I personally feel that this token should do good, at least 10x to 20x during this bull run on the minimum side, and that's the reason why I actually am farming all these airdrops, to be honest, and hopefully this turned out to be at least 5-figure airdrops in the future. Now apart from this, you can complete their galaxy quest over here, links in the description if you want to get some additional bonus, and it also supports my channel. So you can go ahead and claim these points. For example, I will go ahead and claim these points over here. So you have to like complete some basic task over here, like follow them on Twitter, then like, retweet and rest of the things. So once you complete this galaxy task, you will be getting some points which you can go ahead and claim them. So, and for this you will need to have a Galaxy Web3 score. Now I don't think you will need to have a Galaxy passport, but it's better to have at least a Galaxy Web3 score. So you can go ahead and check it over here in your profile. So these are some of the steps that you can do in order to farm the Sender wallet airdrops as of now and earn DAO points. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.